G'day folks, Scott from Wurth here today to talk to you about wall plugs, and in particular a product that I'm super pumped to be able to offer you is our new range of shark plugs. Now let's just unbox this. Now have a look at that. Now that looks fantastic. Now these plugs are different to our previous versions in that these plugs are now two different types of materials, a harder plastic and a softer plastic. Now what does that mean for you? Our shark twist plugs, when you bind them up and they twist them up on the backside of, say, a hollow brick or into a plasterboard or a concrete sheeting, when you twist them up and they twist up into that pretzel style that you see in our other shark plugs, these plugs now have a much larger footprint when you're putting into the workpiece. 8 points of contact these plugs have, which gives you fantastic holding power. Not only that, they're available in the kit in 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14 mil diameters. Available in the set like that, 450 piece set, or available individually. The beauty of these shark plugs over the previous version is that you have the ability now to use a wood screw, and not just one diameter wood screw. A lot of these plugs have 2 or more different diameters that you can use in them, but wood screw and now metal threads. Yep, I say that again, metal threads. So you are not just bound by wood screws anymore. You can drop metal threads into these plugs and it gives you just so much more versatility over our previous versions. For you guys doing installs in houses, now you might want to have a real architectural look to something that you're hanging on the wall or you're putting on the wall, whether it be a handrail, a shelf, what have you. You now have the ability to drop a metal thread into one of these shark plugs and it will bite and it will do exactly the same thing as a wood thread will do. So it binds it up, it pops through the end, it starts binding it up and it winds it on, but it just gives you so much more versatility. For the architectural look, we have in our range a lot of different types of metal threads. Zinc for indoors, stainless for outdoors, black zinc plated for architectural look, and we have a lot of different types of heads that you can use. So we have pan head, we have countersunk, we have cylinder head, we have flanged pan heads. It just gives you so much more versatility with an anchor. So if you're really going for that neat finish in whatever you're doing, you can use one of these shark plugs because it gives you the versatility of a wood thread plus the versatility of a metal thread in the one anchor. Now, these can be used in all your indoor applications, so into your plasterboards, into your cement sheets, but it also gives you the ability to use them outdoors because you could drop this into hollow brick, you could drop it into concrete, and then you could drop a stainless A2, A4 metal thread into it, and away you go. You know it's going to work first time, every time. And also with these, you have diameters 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14 mil, so you're only drilling a 6 mil hole, 8 mil hole, 10 mil hole, 12 mil hole, 14 mil hole, and then this anchor does not have to be hammered in, it's just pushed in with your thumb. It's got a little sort of lip, like a very fine sort of countersunk lip, so that's what stops it from dropping all the way through the hole. And then if you're dropping it into a hollow space, then it gives you the ability to bind it up, and as I said before, 8 points of contact this anchor will have over previous versions. So it's quite a large footprint on the backside, and that means for you just better holding power. So I believe the 6 mil into 12.5 mil plasterboard has a rating of 10 kilos per fixing, which is pretty impressive. And again, wood thread screw, metal thread screw, just, yeah, an all-round fantastic product. So all you guys out there doing any sort of construction, house renovating, guys in the sign writing industry where you're hanging your signs all over the place, it gives you the ability to put one of these fasteners into whatever the workpiece may be, but then you can drop a metal thread in there, a low profile, and so it just gives you that real professional finish with what you're doing. The kit itself, 450 pieces, range of different anchors, all available individually, so if you want to top your kit up, you can absolutely do that. So yeah, just an all-round fantastic product, and I'm really excited to have this into the range because I don't believe there's anything else like it in the market, which gives you the versatility that these anchors will give you. Enough talking about it, let's go and test them, and let's show you exactly what I mean when I'm talking about the footprint on the backside of a workpiece. So let's get over and let's give them a try. So there you go, guys. As I said at the start, what a fantastic product. The footprint, as you've seen now from the demonstration, is just a really good footprint, great bite onto the back of the workpiece. So yeah, I cannot rate these highly enough. I mean, the kit itself looks fantastic, but they are available individually. So our new range of shark twist anchors, fantastic. I don't see how you could possibly go wrong. The versatility is just off the chart for you. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And remember, our shark twist anchors are ready for work.